The duplication of hair growth has been discovered. A microstrand has now been created. Single human hairs are fed onto these microstrands and then blended in between your hair, duplicating real hair growth. An extremely different approach has been created to increase hair volume that has never been thought of, nevertheless offered. A micro-diameter hair strand has been invented, of which is finer than one human hair. Even more amazing, this micro-diameter strand is translucent and therefore disappears upon contact of any human scalp. Such an invention, such a creation leaves your entire scalp 100% fully accessible with virtually no ability to see or feel anything. Even more remarkable, this microstrand is actually 10 times stronger than any human hair. The finished microstrands are blended in between your existing hairs, all while utilizing 100% of your hairs,